Hello and welcome to another episode of Elephant English Podcast. Today I'm going to be talking about my childhood. I'm going to be following some speaking questions that you might have in your speaking exam, and I'm going to answer these questions. Question number 1. Did you enjoy your childhood? Yes, I enjoyed my childhood a lot. I have got a lot of very happy memories of moments that I shared with my family and my friends. Question number 2. What is your first memory of your childhood? My first memory of my childhood is coming down the stairs in my family home in England on Christmas morning. I remember that Santa Claus had come and brought me a doll's pram, which is a toy that you can sit your toy dolls in and push around. I was very happy because it was something that I had asked for Christmas. I kept that doll's pram for a lot of years until one day when I had grown up, when I gave it to a little girl so that she could enjoy playing with it. Question number 3. Did you have a lot of friends when you were a child? Yes, I had a lot of friends when I was a child. I didn't have a group of friends like some people do, but I had a lot of individual friends that didn't know each other. Also, as my mum looked after a lot of children because she was a childminder, lots of children were always at our house, and in the end, they became friends of ours. Question number 4. What did you enjoy doing as a child? When I was younger, I loved to play with Lego. All of my brothers and sisters loved to play with it too. We created an enormous Lego city that took up all of the space in one of our bedrooms. All of the Lego people had their houses, their jobs, their bank accounts, their friends and their enemies. Whenever we got any money for our birthdays or at Christmas, we always used to spend it on Lego. We had so many sets, lots of electric trains, an airport and 3 planes, a bank, a football stadium, a beach, a police station, a fire station, everything. We still have all of their Lego because we love it so much. Question number 5. Do you think that it is better for children to grow up in the city or in the countryside? I grew up in the countryside and I loved it. So from my point of view, it is better for children to grow up in the countryside. The lifestyle is more relaxed and children have more space to play. They can even spend time in the fields and play football with their friends or go for a bike ride. I think it's harder to do that in the city because there is more traffic, more people, and less space. I think that people who live in the city are more aware of the dangers of children playing or spending time in the streets on their own. In the countryside, parents are generally more relaxed and let their children go out on their own more. In today's video, I've talked about my childhood. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of these videos on different topics. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video.